you want to message me, I have my Instagram and my abouts. You can contact me. I hope, guys, I have also my Patreon account there. I have put my link on my description. And you can see there in my abouts where you can communicate me. Why? But it's limited, guys, because there's somebody is make you jealous. Look how pretty I am in my serum. This is my serum. I know there's a guy there who stalked my my vlog, especially my ex. One of my stalker. Oh, this is just a short live. I haven't ever put. I'm just a simple tonight. It's no. I check my son if it's belongs to her, to him. He got a fever. Well, anyway, shout out to my friend, Mr. George. So help sometimes to my son sponsoring. Thank you so much once again. Hi, Mimitsia. Hello, this is one of my avid viewers. Thank you for coming. I hope you watch and you send you buy my super chat. My background is dark because my son is already asleep and he get a fever. That's why he don't want to open the light. That's why I go live. It's like quite dark. It's dark. Okay. Hi to my 9 viewers watching. Oh my god, I'm still lying sometimes because my back is aching. Back is aching for you guys. Thank you for watching and thank you for your time spending watching my live, and also please watch my Patreon. I have to put my link. I have also my Instagram, my WhatsApp, and my Facebook account. Yeah. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. There you go. There you go. Why you guys? I put some lipstick so I make it bored. See, where's my top? I have my and where's my other wallets? I have here my anti-cholesterol. This is for my cholesterol because I eat a lot of meat. Hi.